Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today we are continuing our Misfire diagnostic series. So on our previous video, we tested and diagnosed our coil pack and found it to be faulty and replaced it. So in this video, we're going to assume that the coil pack did not fix the problem. So our current symptom is a code P0304 showing up on our code scanner. So what we're going to do is locate the number 4 cylinder, remove the coil pack, and remove the spark plug and check it out. So with our code P0304, that is a cylinder 4 misfire, which is this guy over here. We're able to determine that this is cylinder number 4 because the passenger side of the engine has the serpentine belt, and you start from the serpentine belt with cylinder 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So we're going to go ahead and remove this coil pack by removing this 10mm nut and this electrical connector. At this point, you will want to use some compressed air with a nozzle like this to blow out the inside of this tube to make sure that there's no dirt or debris in there that could fall into the cylinder when you remove the spark plug. Now we'll use a spark plug socket to remove the spark plug from the spark plug well. So my spark plug socket is the old style with a rubber grommet on the inside, and this rubber has apparently shrunk and dry rotted some. I would definitely recommend going to the auto parts store and buying magnetic sockets like this one here that doesn't rely on rubber. It actually has a magnet inside of there to pick up the spark plug. I have one, however, it is the wrong size, so I'm going to resort to using some needle nose pliers to reach down and grab the spark plug. Now that the spark plug's removed, let's go ahead and read it. We read it by looking at this end of the spark plug and looking for anything other than normal wear. We can see that the electrode is pointy on this end, the gap is large, and this is obviously very worn. You can see this white deposit on here. That usually indicates that the spark plug is running too hot. You can also see that there's black oily deposits on here, and what that is engine oil getting into the combustion chamber. You should track down and fix the oil leak to keep your spark plugs from getting oil fouled in the future. Now we'll go ahead and install a new spark plug. Carefully hand tighten the spark plug until it's nice and snug. This will prevent you from accidentally cross-threading the spark plug. Once it's nice and tight, I recommend using a torque wrench and torque it down to the manufacturer's specification. However, if you do not have a torque wrench, I like to get it nice and snug and then do about 1/8 of a turn. You don't want to go too much because you can strip out the threads. Now we'll reinstall the ignition coil. Hopefully that helped you solve your misfire and you can get back on the road. Now, if you're still having a misfire, even after changing the coil pack, inspecting the spark plug wire, and changing the spark plug, it might be time to consider doing a compression test to make sure you don't have any mechanical issues in your engine. Another thing to inspect could be a faulty fuel injector. We will do videos instructing you on how to do each of those, and we'll link them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, dude, we can fix it.